Welcome to today's lesson. Our learning goal for today is I can explain how to use a compass rose. Now let's look at our assignment for social studies, map of Texas. First thing you need to do is to look at the compass rose and study the map, right? We cannot answer any questions without first taking some time to understand what the map is trying to teach us or what the map is trying to show us. Now, a nice way people like to remember the compass rose is to remember a nice silly phrase that states, never eat sour watermelons. Now, this is a nice mnemonic term that helps you to remember something that is very basic. Other people like to use the term never eat soggy waffles. Once again, a silly term, but it helps you to remember, right? Now remember, the whole point of a compass rose is to understand direction. We have north, east, south, and west. So we need to know those four terms of direction. Now in our lesson, we had the nice map of the great state of Texas. Now, if you look at the east side of the map, you see the great city of Houston, Texas. Now, remember, Houston is not only the city that we live in, Houston is also the largest city in the great state of Texas, right? So, very important city. To the west of Houston, you see Austin, Texas. Now, Austin is the only city that is marked with a star. Now, if you look at our terms over here, or our key, the city marked with a star represents our state capital. So that means that Austin is the capital of Texas. Now, to the south of Austin, you see the great city of San Antonio, and to the south of San Antonio, you see Laredo. So you get the point. We're using the compass rose to understand direction and understand where cities are located in the great state of Texas. Now, it's a very simple lesson, but it's also very easy to make mistakes if you don't look at the map or if you don't look at the compass rose or understand what it's trying to tell you. Now, let's look at our lesson for the week. Now, remember, before you do anything, always make sure you're writing your name and last name, because if you don't, then just like in the classroom, I'm not going to know who is turning in that assignment. Now, let's look at the first question. The question reads, which city is located north of Lubbock? Right? Okay, so let's go back to the map. First thing we do is look for the city of Lubbock, right? So Lubbock is not located in the south. It's not located over here in the east or in the west, but Lubbock is located on the north side of Texas, right? So Lubbock, north part of Texas. Now, what is the question asking again? The question is asking, which city is located north of Lubbock? Let's look at our options. It's Amarillo, El Paso, Houston, or Waco. So question is asking, what city is located north of Lubbock? Look to the north and you see it's Amarillo, right? So click click on the answer. Next question is, which important city is located east of Austin? Once again, don't answer anything without looking at the map, right? So we go back to the map, look for Austin, and it's asking what city is located east of Austin. Go to the east and you see the great city of Houston, Texas. Look for the answer, Houston, right? The capital of Texas is marked with a star. The capital of Texas is Austin, Texas. Let's check our answer. Remember, on our key it tells us anything marked with a star is always the state capital. Only city marked with a star, Austin, Texas. Now, I hope this quick video helps you to answer our assignment. Now, if you have any questions, remember you could always YouTube a video, um, search for map skills, a compass rose, and the video will provide you with any additional questions you may have. Now, all these videos are linked to our Google Classroom, so you can find them there. But once again, if you can, just go to YouTube and search a compass rose, right?